Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your GitHub repository to your cPanel account. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you have already created a repository. So to create a repository, you can just click on your profile, then you click on your repositories, and you click on new. When you click on new, you type in your repository name, you put in the description, and you have to set this to public. So you cannot connect repository that is private to cPanel. It has to be public so that cPanel can be able to access it. So when you make it public, you click create repository. So, but I've already created a repository, so I'm not going to create a new one. So I'll just go to the one I've created already, which is this testing. So you can see the testing is public also. So once you are done with this, you're sure you have created a repository, you go to your cPanel. When you have cPanel, you can just search for Git, then click Git version control. So when you click Git version control, you can see currently I don't have anyone that is linked already. So I'll just click on create. So this first option is for you to add your repo URL, which ends with .git. So what do you do? When you come to your GitHub, you will copy the URL of this repo, which is this. This is the URL. So I'm going to copy it, then I'm going to paste it. Then I'll make sure it ends with .git like this. Now, the next option is the repository part, which is the folder where you want to import your GitHub repository. Now, if you want to import it on a domain, for example, I have a domain devhosting.com. I'll just put devhosting.com, which is a folder in my cPanel. So let's quickly check. So I'm going to search for file manager. So if I go to my file manager, you can see I have a domain devhosting.com, which is this. So I can just put devhosting.com right here. But if you want it to be in your public_HTML, let me say the domain you want to use is the primary domain of your cPanel, which should be under public_HTML. So you can just type public_HTML right here. So when you do this, it's going to work. Now, but there's one thing you need to make sure. Before this can work, you need to make sure the folder is empty. You can see currently I have a folder here. So I have to make sure I select all and delete it. Now, you might even have hidden files. So to view hidden files, you can just click on settings and you can see my own show hidden files is toggled on. So you make sure that is toggled on. So I'm not going to delete everything here. So I'm going to click select all, delete, then I'm going to delete this. So it's gone. Now, I'm not going to use it. Now, the repository name, testing, which is the name of our repo. So then I'll click create. So now you can see it has been created successfully. Now let's check out the this thing. Now you can see we have that index.html in devhosting.com, which is the file we have in this repository. You can see it right here. Now let me show you another thing. So if I come in and click on manage, and so if you want to like pull extra files, let me say you made an update, so you can click on pull or deploy, then click update from remote. So you click update from remote. If there's any new file you have created in your repository, let me say I came later and created another file here, is going to update it right here. So you can just click on pull or deploy and click update from remote. So which is this. Now you can see I have my complete files here. So this is how to connect your GitHub repository to your cPanel account. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.